guys, welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to unbox something that is not a plant. So this is another side of me. Okay, so let's start. Okay, besides being a crazy plant mama lady, I'm actually starting to become a crazy plate lady. So, that's your clue. So, alam nyo na kung ano to. I'm trying to do this as fast as I can. Okay, I've been looking for a plate like this and for a while now kasi yung iba napakamahal. Tapos, I don't know, it's not, I'm looking for something unique. And this popped up on my feed. Check them out. And they have really cool plates and goblets. So their Instagram page is ceramics_goblets_ph. Tama ba yan? Yeah, so it's ceramics and goblets ph. Okay, so this one, so excited. So, narinig mo ba yung tunog? That's my washing machine. Ready na daw siya. Tapos na siya mag-dry. Okay. So, besides the plates, I also ordered these goblets. So happy. Okay. So, sabi sa description, it's a rare embossed leaf design goblet. So, can you see it? So pretty! I'm so happy. Later, I'll show you. I have kind of similar designs, but for wine glasses and champagne flute. So, now, to complete the set, I have a goblet. Okay, so there. Mamaya na natin buksan lahat to. Okay, dyan muna kayo. Tabi ko muna, ha? And plates. Okay, so this one pala, for 4 pieces, it's 1,500. Not bad for the design kasi yung iba, parang per piece siya. Okay, so probably after this, maybe next month, I want naman clear goblets. And then after that, I'm done. I mean, I'm not gonna buy any more goblets or glasses in that case. Okay. Sanitize ko na pala to, guys, if you're wondering. Unboxing pala. Nakakailang minuto na tayo. Be patient with me, people. Okay. Okay. So, according to Ceramics and Goblets PH, so in between words, my underscore, guys. These plates daw are the same plates that Madam G.K. Pacquiao ordered. So, hindi man tayo kapeg ni Miss Heart Evangelista for plates because nakaloka yung mga Hermes niya. Sumilibel naman tayo sa milyonaryo G.K. Pacquiao. I'm Hi, madam. Pina-follow ko po kayo sa Instagram. Sarap. Oh my God! So, ito naman, ang selling point naman sa akin ito, sabi ni Kuyang Seller, this is a Moroccan style. Because I asked him, I messaged him if he has like blue and white plates because yun yung hinahanap ko. And he sent me photos of these. So, and I was sold. Oh my God! Ito nyo ba? Oh my God, so pretty. So this is a dinner plate. It's 10.5 inches. They're so pretty. Oh my God. I can't wait to use them. Okay, later on I will set it up with placemats and cutleries and stuff. And I'll show you. Okay? And of course, hindi pa ito nagtatapos. Oh, this one is 695 per piece. Hindi na siya masama, guys. Pakaganda. Moroccan style. And then, of course, to partner those plates, so hindi na ako makapaghintay kay Pusong Lokal PH. Ay, Pusong Lokal Manila. And since Ceramics and Goblets PH, meron sila, I ordered some raffia mats. So pretty, diba? Later, I will set it up with the plate. Ganyan. Ayan. So since we are talking about plates already, no? This is all about being a platita, or whatever. Sanitize tayo. I'll show you some of my collections. So, this is the newest one. Put it there. I'll show yung mga recent ones. Okay, this, I got this from metierhome.ph. This is, how much is this again? 600 for one salad plate, 8 inches, and one dinner plate of 10 inches. So I got 4 sets of these prints. Actually, it's different prints. Iba-ibang dahon, pero same peg. Okay? So that's collection number 2. And then I have this naman. This is Beverly Rose. I got this pamana from my mom. This is a salad plate, pero it comes with a dinner plate, bowl, coffee cups, and saucers. So, kompleto siya. I think this comes with 8 piece per set. Okay? Nagtatao po ba? Wait lang po! Okay, so, nagtatao po. Bilisan daw natin. Tapos, I have a pasta plate, which is Dodson. This is made in England. This is hand painted. This is actually what Fridays is using. I got this from Mock Sale years ago, and I really love it because it's so matibay. I forgot na how much I bought it, but I think it's 50 or more than 50% off. Yeah. And also, I have a rack collection. RAK. This is from UAE naman. From Mall of Kitchens as well. That is the showroom before of Technolux, which I used to work. This one is porcelain. Okay, so this is actually more expensive than ceramics. So those ones that I've shown you before, those are all ceramics. Sabi, ang ceramics, ang porcelain daw ay, it's basically ceramics but uses a finer materials. Oh, Google ako. So I have black and white. Okay. I also have RAK na bigger dinner plate. I think it's 11-inch. Pure white. I'm not gonna show you na, guys. And then, okay, so I think last week I ordered these bowls. Comes with 4 colors. Pretty niya. Sale din to, guys, from Mall of Kitchens. So, nag-FB live sila, bodega sale, and syempre, abangers ako. Tagal ko na itong inaabangan actually before. I think I bought this only for $250 or $400, I forgot, for 4 pieces. Very good deal yun. I think it's more than 70% off. Okay, I bought bowls kasi lahat ng mga bowls namin nabasag na. So that, and of course, biglang lalulok ako. Hindi ko na kung unahin ko. Okay, so last, for the last of my collection, ayan, in-order ko to kay Mama. Ang kanyang Instagram page ay Karasified. I have 4 of these bowls, and then I ordered cat print bowls. There you go. For this I think the cat is 200 each. This one is 150. And then, syempre, may kapartner siyang mga platter for breakfast. Yeah? Ayan. So, this one, the rectangular one, is 300. And this one is 230. And follow nyo na sila. I will put later on my... When I upload, I will put on... When I upload, I'll put all the sellers para you can follow them. Okay, so that's it for today. Si Mama pala nagsisell din ng alcohol like this. This is cucumber melon. Very, ang bango-bango niya, guys. Okay, so since may tumatawag sa akin sa labas, I'm gonna end it here. Later, I will show you some photos of how I set it up. Okay, so maybe I'll say goodbye later. Bye! Okay, so ito na lang yung e-effortan kong setupan, guys. Ha? Kasi lagpas 10 minutes na tayo. Okay, so this is the raffia mat. And then the Moroccan plate that I bought from Goblets. Ceramics and Goblets PH. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na kapeg nitong goblet. This is the champagne flute, the wine glass. Tapos syempre yung vase. Yan. Yan. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much again for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you haven't seen my other videos, please do so. Bye!